My name is Khalifa Barr. I'm a field safety inspector at Valancourt Construction, and this is the CS11 GC Cat Roller. I'm gonna give you a pre-operation inspection of the CS11 GC Roller here. One thing we like to do before we start, I'll come in, I'll check for the night before. Check my glass, check for cracks, damages to anything could be. I'm also going to check my tires as well. Check for any scrapes, scratches, check to see if it's flat, make sure everything's good. I will check the valve stem, I'll check the bolts, make sure everything is good and tightened. Then once we come around, I'll check my coolant reservoir. Make sure my coolant reservoir is good, fully operational. Then I'll check my diesel cap. I want to make sure that this didn't go missing the night before, or it could have fell off, or it could have got damaged. We do have a nighttime crew that come in, they fuel, they grease, they check for things like that. So I want to make sure everything is good and tightened prior to startup before I get in. Then I come around, I will check my battery as well. I want to make sure everything is good. I want to make sure everything is holding as well. This is our horn. So I want to make sure this is not caked up, backed up with dirt, anything. So when it comes to operation, it'll be fully operational and louder than the surrounding area. So I come around, I check this out here. I want to check for any water, sediment that could build up in this tank here as well. Then this is our depth cap. I want to make sure this is fully tightened. We want to make sure it's good prior to operation. Then we'll come around, we'll check our engine oil district. We'll make sure it's good. Good to go. For me, it's best to keep a towel with you while you're doing this as well. It can get pretty nasty. And back around on the other side, you want to check your tire as well. I know it sounds repetitive, but you want to make sure you're checking everything as well. You want to check the sidewall, check for it could be leaking, flat, anything like that. You want to check for that as well. We'll come around this side. You want to check our hoses. Make sure there's no leaks there, no cuts, bumps. You make sure it's not kinked. Make sure everything is good. You also have grease pivot points as well. So this is a pivot point for grease. That's another pivot point. So you want to make sure that's greased at all times. Like I say, we do have a crew that comes in at night and they'll do it as well. But you want to make sure that has grease on it, indicating that it's been greased properly and most recently. You check under the equipment for leaks. You look around, make sure you're good. Make sure no oil slick, any water, anything could be dripping. You'll check around for that. And you also come through, you'll check your drum before startup. You'll check your isolators. You would like to check and see if you have any cracks, damage to the isolators, or anything could be. Similar, same type setup, but we also have our isolators on this side as well. This side is the drive side. This side is going to be used the most, so we want to check that as well. And also you have hoses running from this end that you would like to check as well as the other side. And then this is your drum scraper. So when you're coming in here, this is for any buildup, dirt, lime rock, anything you could be rolling that day that could be stuck to the drum. This will help keep it scraped off and keep it clean prior to the next startup. And that concludes your pre-operation walk around for the CS11 GC Cat Roller.